Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of CS Blurb's Ramen Hack Wednesdays. I have decided to bring you ramen hacks every 2 weeks. So 2 weeks ago, it was the mayo ramen hack. If you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and check the link upstairs. This time we're gonna go with a recipe that's a little bit healthier. We're going with a ramen noodle salad. Yes, I decided to make ramen healthy this week. It is a very simple slaw. Cabbage, we got some colorful vegetable in there. I'm using red cabbage. We got a little bit of carrot in there, shredded super nicely. And the ramen, we're gonna toast it up in a bit of oil, adding a bit of sauces on there, a little bit of the seasoning packet, and that's gonna add a lot of texture and crunch, almost like a substitution for a crouton. It's the perfect kind of weather for this kind of stuff. It's nice and hot over here. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started.
All right, here are the ingredients. We are going to start shredding our purple cabbage, and I'm using a mandolin here without the guard. Just be careful, or you could do it by hand, whatever you want. I am now segmenting the green onions and then slicing them up julienne style. And yes, you want it nice and thin. For now, we're gonna go crush the hell out of these instant noodles, whatever noodles that you don't like. Start heating up a little pan of oil and add your crushed ramen noodles in there. You wanna get these nice and toasty. We're gonna be adding in 1 packet out of the 2 of the seasoning packet. I'm adding a little bit of chili flakes depending on how hot you want it to be. We're adding probably about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And now we're back to chopping vegetables here. So again, just like the green onions, I am julienning these carrots. Here is some pickled Japanese ginger, which I'm just mincing up here to add a bit of sweetness to the salad. We're gonna add those noodles in, and that's gonna add a lot of crunch. We got a bit of furikake here. And we have our dressing, which is about a tablespoon or 2 of sesame oil. We've got a bit more of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. And we've got 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar and, of course, more chili flakes. Add that on top and begin to toss that all together. And yeah, salad is done. It's super delicious. It holds for quite a few hours. So if you're bringing this to a barbecue, it's a perfect thing to do so. Or if you want it more like a coleslaw, add a bit of mayo. Enjoy!
If you like this video or this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week.